Want to feel better, have more energy, and improve your overall health? You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Light exercise can make a world of difference. Even small bursts of activity throughout the day can boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and increase your fitness level. We all know that exercise is good for us, but sometimes the thought of a long, intense workout can be overwhelming. That's where light exercise comes in. It's about moving your body in ways that feel good and fit into your daily life. Think about it, taking the stairs instead of the lift, going for a brisk walk during your lunch break, or doing some simple stretches while watching TV. These activities may seem small, but they all contribute to a healthier, happier you. So if you're ready to make a positive change, let's explore some easy ways to incorporate light exercise into your daily routine. It's time to get moving and feel the difference. Let's get started with some simple exercises you can do anytime, anywhere, no matter your fitness level. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Walking, it's one of the easiest and most effective exercises. Aim for a brisk pace that gets your heart rate up slightly. Stair climbing, skip the lift and take the stairs for a quick leg workout. Stretching. Gentle stretches can improve flexibility and reduce muscle tension. Try shoulder rolls, neck tilts, and hamstring stretches. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair. Push-ups. Start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups if you're a beginner. These are just a few examples to get you started. You can find many more online or through fitness apps. The key is to choose activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. Incorporating light exercise into your daily routine can have a significant positive impact on both your physical and mental well-being. Physically, light exercise helps improve your cardiovascular health, strengthens your bones and muscles, and boosts your energy levels. It can also help with weight management, improve your sleep quality, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Mentally, light exercise can work wonders. It helps reduce stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects. Regular exercise can also improve your cognitive function, memory, and focus, making you feel sharper and more alert throughout the day. Moreover, engaging in light exercise can also boost your self-esteem and confidence as you begin to feel the positive changes in your body and mind. It's a fantastic way to invest in your overall well-being and live a healthier, happier life. Section 4. Sneak in a workout. Tips for busy bees. Short on time, we've all been there. Here are some practical tips for integrating light exercise into a jam-packed schedule. Walk and talk. Catch up with friends or family while going for a walk instead of meeting for coffee or a meal. Turn chores into a workout, put on some music, and increase your intensity while doing housework. Take active breaks. Get up from your desk every hour for a quick stretch or a brisk walk around the office. Use your commute. Walk or cycle to work if possible, or get off the bus or train a stop early and walk the rest of the way. Remember, even small changes can make a difference. Start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build up from there. Section 5. Listen to your body. Finding what feels right. Finding the right amount and intensity of exercise is crucial. It's about listening to your body and finding what feels good for you. Start slowly and gradually increase the duration, frequency, or intensity of your workouts. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're just starting. It's okay to take breaks when you need them and to adjust your routine based on how your body feels. Pay attention to any pain or discomfort. While some muscle soreness after exercise is normal, sharp or persistent pain is a sign that you need to rest or modify your activity. Remember, exercise should make you feel good, not worse. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. They can help you create a safe and effective plan tailored to your individual needs and goals. Section 6. Start today, feel better tomorrow. Your journey to a healthier you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier and happier you. Remember, every little bit counts. Whether it's a short walk, a few stretches, or taking the stairs, every bit of movement contributes to a better you. Don't wait for the perfect time to start because there will never be one. Start today, right now, with whatever you can do. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. Your body is your gym, and you can have a great workout anywhere, anytime. Focus on finding activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. Make exercise a social activity by inviting friends or family to join you. And most importantly, be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey.